Alright guys, today we're doing a review. This here is the Heavenly Organics Pomegranate Chocolate Honey Patties. This, I did a review on the ginger one, so this here is the gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, as you can see. Non-GMO. Well, it only has 3 ingredients, see? Dark chocolate, raw honey, and pomegranate flavor. Here it is. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. People always ask me for snack options, so it does have sugar. Take a look at that. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so they come individually wrapped, as you can see. They look like this, so I'm going to open this up. Okay, so that's what they look like. Let's do a quick taste test. This one's quite nice. It has a nice fruity flavor to it from the pomegranate. Other than that, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel. I actually like this one more than the ginger one, slightly more.